Hey there, design lovers! Welcome back to the Daily House, where we transform spaces into stories. I'm absolutely thrilled to share today's cozy autumn adventure with you. A complete farmhouse workshop reveal inspired by the legendary Chip Gaines himself. We're diving deep into that rustic charm with timber framing and heritage vibes that'll make your heart skip a beat. If you're ready for some serious full inspiration, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we're about to create some magic together. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love farmhouse style as much as I do. Let's start with the showstopper, our farmhouse exterior that screams Chip Gaines sophistication. Picture weathered cedar siding in that perfect storm gray. Complemented by crisp white trim that pops like fresh morning snow, we've incorporated exposed timber framing round the porch posts, creating visual weight and authentic character. The metal roof in charcoal black adds modern durability while maintaining rustic appeal. Notice how we've layered textures, rough-hewn wood against smooth painted surfaces, creating the tactile richness that makes farmhouse design so irresistible. Strategic landscape lighting highlights these architectural details, ensuring our heritage vibes shine even after sunset. Step through those double barn doors into pure farmhouse poetry. Our entryway embraces the mudroom aesthetic with built-in cubbies crafted from reclaimed oak. Each compartment perfectly sized for coats, hats, and seasonal accessories. A vintage-inspired bench with iron brackets provides seating while doubling as storage for boots and shoes. Above, we've mounted a gallery wall of antique mirrors in mismatched frames, creating visual interest and reflecting natural light throughout. The space, the jute runner beneath grounds everything with earthy texture, while brass hooks mounted on shiplap walls add the authentic farmhouse functionality. This space whispers, "Welcome home," from the moment you enter. Welcome to the soul of our farmhouse, a living room that perfectly balances rustic authenticity with modern comfort. The focal point is our reclaimed wood beam ceiling, stained in rich walnut tones that add instant warmth and character. We've arranged seating round a massive stone fireplace, choosing a neutral linen sectional that invites long conversations and cozy movie nights. Layered textiles are key here. Chunky knit throws in cream and rust, leather ottomans for extra seating, and vintage Persian rugs that tie everything together. Industrial-style floor lamps provide ambient lighting, while built-in shelving displays curated collections of pottery and vintage books, creating that lived-in heritage feel. Our dining space celebrates the harvest season with sophisticated farmhouse elegance. The centerpiece is a massive live-edge dining table crafted from reclaimed barnwood, its natural imperfections telling stories of generations past. We've paired it with a mix of vintage Windsor chairs and a rustic wooden bench, creating that collected over time aesthetic Chip Gaines masters so beautifully. The chandelier overhead features wrought iron with Edison bulbs, casting warm, intimate light perfect for family dinners. For full decor, we've styled the table with brass candlesticks, mini pumpkins, and eucalyptus garland running down the center. This creates layers of texture and seasonal color without overwhelming the space's natural beauty. Let's cook up some serious style inspiration in our farmhouse kitchen. The star of this space is definitely our custom cabinetry in sage green, a color that feels both timeless and on-trend. We've topped them with butcher block countertops that add warmth and texture, perfect for food prep and casual dining. The subway tile backsplash extends to the ceiling, creating height and visual continuity. Our vintage-style appliances include a statement range in cream with brass hardware, while the refrigerator is cleverly concealed behind matching cabinet panels. A compact espresso machine sits proudly on the counter, surrounded by open shelving, displaying ceramic mugs and vintage canisters. Every detail serves both beauty and function. Here's where modern family life meets farmhouse authenticity. We've created a cozy media room that doesn't compromise on style, mounting our flat screen TV above a rustic wooden mantel that grounds the technology in natural materials. The sectional sofa in soft gray provides ample seating for movie nights, while a vintage trunk serves as both coffee table and hidden storage. Woven baskets tucked into built-in shelving keep remotes and gaming accessories organized but out of sight. The color palette remains neutral with pops of full orange and throw pillows and seasonal artwork. Industrial-style pendant lights flanking the TV a task lighting while maintaining our heritage aesthetic throughout the space. Transform any corner into a productive workspace with farmhouse flair. Our home office nook features a compact writing desk crafted from reclaimed wood and iron pipe legs, embodying that industrial farmhouse fusion Chip Gaines perfects. Above the desk, floating shelves display a curated mix of books, vintage radios, and small potted succulents. A unique brass desk clock serves as both functional timepiece and decorative accent. The ergonomic office chair in cognac leather adds comfort while maintaining our rustic aesthetic. Task lighting comes from an adjustable brass desk lamp, while a small area rug defines the workspace within the larger room. This setup proves that productive spaces can be beautiful too. Every farmhouse needs a quiet corner for literary escapes. Our reading nook embraces Hig principles with an oversized leather armchair positioned perfectly to catch natural light from nearby windows. A vintage side table holds cups of tea and current reads, while a floor-to-ceiling bookshelf creates an impressive backdrop. We've added layers of comfort with a chunky knit throw in cream and a small footstool for ultimate relaxation. The color scheme remains soft and neutral, encouraging peace and concentration. A small table lamp with linen shade provides focused reading light for those longer autumn evenings. This space whispers tranquility and invites you to slow down and savor quiet moments. Step into our master bedroom sanctuary where farmhouse meets romance. The focal point is our reclaimed wood headboard, creating dramatic vertical lines that draw the eye upward. We've layered the bed with crisp white linens, adding texture through linen throws and vintage quilts in soft blues and grays. Bedside tables crafted from weathered oak provide both storage and display space for vintage alarm clocks and fresh flowers. The color palette remains soothing and neutral, promoting restful sleep. A vintage wooden ladder serves as a unique blanket rack, while woven baskets at the foot of the bed store extra pillows and seasonal bedding. This room celebrates simplicity and comfort above all else. Our farmhouse bathroom combines spa-like tranquility with rustic authenticity. The vanity features reclaimed wood topped with white quartz, creating a perfect balance of texture and functionality. We've chosen brass fixtures throughout, from the bridge faucet to the industrial-style mirror that reflects natural light beautifully. Subway tiles in classic white extend halfway up the walls, topped with shiplap painted in soft gray. Open shelving displays rolled towels and vintage apothecary jars filled with bath salts. The shower features a rainfall shower head and penny tile flooring for added texture. Every element works together to create a space that feels both luxurious and authentically farmhouse, starting each day with style and serenity. Don't let your garage be an afterthought. We've transformed this utilitarian space into an extension of our farmhouse aesthetic with pegboard walls painted in matching sage green. Open shelving crafted from reclaimed wood provides organized storage for tools and seasonal items, while vintage-style lighting fixtures ensure the space feels intentional and designed. Concrete floors are stained in warm gray, while exposed ceiling beams add architectural interest overhead. A workbench built from butcher block An iron pipe serves double duty for projects and potting. Plants, even storage containers follow. Our color scheme, proving that functional spaces can absolutely be beautiful. This garage feels like a natural extension of your home's style story. Let's take the farmhouse vibes outdoors with a patio that's perfect for fall entertaining. Our outdoor dining set features a weather-resistant wood table surrounded by metal chairs with vintage inspire. Cushions in neutral tones, string lights overhead create magical ambience for evening gatherings, while potted mums and ornamental cabbages add seasonal color. A vintage galvanized tub serves as a rustic planter, filled with seasonal greenery and pumpkins. The color palette mirrors our interior spaces, creating seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Outdoor rugs define seating areas while adding comfort underfoot. This space proves that farmhouse style translates beautifully to outdoor living, creating additional rooms for family gatherings and quiet morning coffee moments. Here's where the magic happens, understanding how to layer textures like a true design pro. In farmhouse style, it's all about combining rough with smooth, new with old, and natural with industrial. Think chunky knit throws against smooth leather furniture, or weatherwood beams contrasting with crisp white wools. The key is creating what designers call visual weight, balancing heavy elements like stone fireplaces with lighter touches like linen curtains. Incorporate what we call patina, that beautiful aging that gives pieces character and story. Layer different metals too. Brass, iron, and copper can coexist beautifully when unified by your overall color palette. This technique creates depth and interest in every room. Let's talk about color psychology in farmhouse design. Our full palette draws from nature's own seasonal transition. Warm sage greens that echo fading summer foliage, creamy whites that mirror early morning frost, and rich browns that ground us like fertile earth. These colors create what designers call biophilic design, connecting us to nature and indoors. Accent colors like rust orange and deep burgundy add seasonal warmth without overwhelming the neutral base. The 60301 rule applies perfectly here. 60% neutral base colors, 30% secondary colors like sage, and 10% bold accents and seasonal tones. This creates harmony while allowing personality to shine through carefully chosen accessories and textiles. Sustainability meets style in authentic farmhouse design. Chip Gaines has always championed repurposing and upcycling, and we're following that philosophy throughout our space. Reclaimed barnwood reduces environmental impact while adding authentic character that can't be manufactured. Vintage and antique pieces tell stories while reducing demand for new production. Energy-efficient LED bulbs in vintage-style fixtures maintain aesthetic appeal while lowering environmental impact. Natural materials like jute, linen, and wool are renewable and biodegradable, making them perfect choices for conscious decorators. Shopping secondhand and repurposing family heirlooms creates unique spaces while honoring both budget and planet. This approach creates rooms with soul and environmental responsibility. Let's talk about achieving that million-dollar farmhouse look on a realistic budget. The secret is strategic splurging. Invest in key pieces like a quality sofa or dining table that you'll use daily, then save on accessories and accent pieces. Dye projects like painting existing furniture in trending colors or creating your own artwork can dramatically reduce costs while adding personal touches. Thrift stores and estate sales are gold mines for vintage accessories and unique pieces that add character without hefty price tags. Focus on good bones. Architectural elements like exposed beams or shiplap walls create huge visual impact for relatively low cost. Remember, farmhouse style celebrates imperfection, so handmade and slightly worn pieces fit perfectly. The beauty of Farmhouse style lies in its adaptability. Our neutral base allows for easy seasonal transitions without major overhauls for fall. We simply swap out throw pillows and blankets in summer's light blues for warm oranges and deep burgundies. Fresh florals give way to dried wheat bundles and mini pumpkins. Winter might bring evergreen garland and cozy plaid patterns, while spring welcomes fresh pussy willows and soft pastels. The key is keeping major furniture and paint colors neutral, then layering in seasonal elements through textiles, accessories, and natural materials. This approach keeps your space feeling fresh and current while maintaining that timeless farmhouse foundation that never goes out of style. Lighting can make or break your farmhouse aesthetic. We've chosen fixtures that serve both function and style. Think industrial pendant lights over kitchen islands, vintage-inspired chandeliers in dining areas, and table lamps with linen shades for cozy reading corners. The goal is layered lighting using what designers call the 3 types rule: ambient overhead, task reading lamps, and accent candles. Warm tone LED bulbs in the 2,700,000 range create that cozy, inviting glow that makes everyone look their best. Natural light is equally important. Keep window treatments simple with linen panels that filter light beautifully while maintaining privacy. Remember, good lighting design should feel effortless and natural. Here's where your personality shines through. While we're inspired by Chip Gaines' aesthetic, your farmhouse should tell your family's unique story. Display collections that speak to you. Vintage pottery, antique books, or family photographs in mismatched frames. Incorporate handmade elements like quilts from grandmothers or pottery from local artisans. Travel souvenirs can find perfect homes when chosen thoughtfully and displayed with intention. The key is curation over collection. Choose pieces that genuinely bring you joy rather than filling spaces just because they're empty. Remember, authentic farmhouse style celebrates the lived-in look. So don't be afraid to show signs of real life and genuine use throughout your beautiful spaces. What an incredible journey we've taken together through this farmhouse full workshop reveal. From that stunning timber frame exterior to our cozy reading nook, we've created a space that truly embodies Chip Gaines' philosophy of authentic, livable design with serious heritage vibes. Remember, farmhouse style ain't about perfection. It's about creating a home that tells your story through carefully chosen materials, thoughtful layouts, and personal touches that make every room feel genuinely welcoming. If this tour has inspired your own farmhouse dreams, I'd love to hear about your projects in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House for more design inspiration. And hit that like button if you're ready to bring some of this cozy fall magic into your own home.